people are struggling with their assessments. So is this boy.
Oh yeah, it's true.
And I'm here to help interview him and help him on how to get this question right.
So what is the question anyways?
It says, question 3, circle the number that is closest to 300.
So which number, so what do you do to find the closest?
First, as you can see, there's only 2 numbers that are closest to 300.
What are they?
313 and 288.
Okay, so what do you do with those numbers?
I'm going to start off with 313. 313 minus 13 is 300.
Okay, next.
And 288 and 12 is 300. So what answer do you think is correct?
I think 313 because it has a higher number. And it has a higher number than 288 because 288 plus 12 equals 300 and 313 take away 13 equals 300. So I think it's the biggest number that is subtracted equals to that closest one.
You're wrong because 13 is bigger. And you have to choose the smallest number to get closest. To 300.
Okay, so does that mean that 288 is right?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Top 5 tips on surviving the maths test. Number 1, always read the question.
Reading the question is really good. It helps you to find out the answer.
You should always read the question carefully because if you don't, then you might not get the right answer. Number 2.
Always check your answer with the inverse.
It is important to always check your answer with the inverse because when you don't, it might not be the correct answer. And when you work it out, you need to check your answer with the inverse as well because it might not be the right answer. Number 3. Stay calm and positive.
If you don't stay calm and you rush through the test, you have a 50% chance of not getting the level you want to.
Number 4.
When you skip a question, always come back to it.
It is good to always come back to your question, and sometimes it is good to skip it because if there's another question involving that question and you know how to answer the other question, you can come back to the question and find out the answer.
And also, when you skip the question and you finish your test, you can come back to the question and then you might remember the answer. The final tip, number 5.
Try not to struggle, because when you struggle, you always get distracted by other people.
When you struggle, you can lose focus and you might forget the answer that you were thinking of. And if the answer is correct and you think of another answer, you will get the question wrong.
Thank you for watching our top 5 tips on.
And also, we would like to share 3 jokes. The jokes are, what type of tree does a teacher climb? What type of angle is crossed? What angle is cute? If you know the answer, just like and subscribe and send a message to us telling what you think the answer is.
Thank you for watching. Bye.